Hi, my name is Pavel Livak, and I'll be representing Cyprus at the IEO, a nation that truly connects people by being situated between 3 different continents.
I am Daniel Fatirov, a representative of Team Cyprus, a country with centuries of history.
Hi, I'm Aris from Team Cyprus. Cyprus is a hub of innovation and new ideas, shaping a better future.
Hi, I'm Anastasia from Team Cyprus, a country full of sunshine and sea.
Hi, Alex.
Hi, I'm Alexandros from Team Cyprus. We're a team that sticks together through thick and thin.
Our mission.
Represent Cyprus.
Learn from the world's brightest young minds.
Share our ideas.
And bring new ones back home.
Looks like we're ready.
Next meeting,
Shenzhen!